G'day, my name is Damien. I'm from Adelaide, South Australia, and I've been a member of my self-publishing blueprint now for a while, and I absolutely love the course. I've learnt all sorts of different things from keyword research, building email lists, copywriting, which is a fantastic skill to know. Emeka is very active in the community that is around my self-publishing blueprint, and that community is absolutely fantastic. You can ask any questions that you need. As I say, Emeka is always very engaging, always answering questions. In fact, Emeka at times asks questions himself. And I absolutely love that, because that shows to me that Emeka himself is publishing and is still learning. So we can all learn together, and that will help us all know the absolute best practices when it comes to self-publishing. So I hope to see you all in the community of my self-publishing blueprint, and yeah, thanks.